Hey, a beautiful morning, everybody. I'm back again. It's your boy Mazu. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the market so that we can look what the market can give us this week. And yeah, man, let's jump straight into it. First thing first, I'm gonna start with. I want to start with GU. I'm gonna start with USDCAD. USDCAD, man. Uh, USDCAD. I'm gonna start with USDCAD. As you all can see, at the current candle of the weekly time frame is currently bullish. As you all can see, after the mitigation of this demand zone right here. So, we want to buy at the discounted price and sell at the premium price. So yeah, man. On USDCAD on the daily time frame, you can tell there is a demand zone right there. There is a demand zone right here, a clear demand zone right here. So the market, there's high possibility of the market retracing towards the downside before it's pushing to the upside after the mitigation of this changing character right there. There's high possibility of the market coming back to these zones. And yeah, man, if you come right there, you can tell the market is kind of consolidating right now. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can tell the market was pushing higher. After that, we had a change of character. This is our new high, record structure, mitigation of this demand zone. So now we are waiting for a mitigation of this so that you can go to the downside. It's clear on the 5-minute time frame, as you all can see. Yeah, man, a clear imbalance right there, and also clear imbalance right there. So there's a high possibility of the market coming. There's a high possibility of the market. There's a high possibility of the market coming here before going to the downside. For now, we should wait for the market to come back here. My second, I have let's start off from the daily time frame. Daily time frame is bullish. As you can see, we had a drop, a consolidation, a drop, another consolidating towards the demand zone. So now what we should look at, as you all can see, we have a drastic push to the upside. So now this is just a retracement towards a demand zone that is down right there. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame, that's where the things start being clear. As you all can see, a consolidation, a drop, another consolidation. We are waiting for the market to mitigate our supply zone before going to the downside to take this liquidity down here, because the market is now trending to the downside. Higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low. That's how the market moves. So we're waiting patiently to see the market coming back to this zone so that it can drop. And yeah, man, the next coming trade, trade idea, we'll look at the DXY first before going to EURUSD, because this thing kind of move the same one. DXY, as you all can see, my anticipation was this breakout structure coming back to mitigate supreme liquidity, coming back to mitigate this supply, this demand zone. So now what I'm waiting for, because I'm seeing the market is kind of slow. I know at 2:30 South African time, we had news that we have news that unemployment claims. So yeah, man, that's why we see the market like moving slow. So my anticipation for dollar index is to drop, to sweep some liquidity before pushing to the downside. That's where I would be more comfortable to take a trade right there. And then yeah, man, seeing this what I'm waiting for from this way. That's why I drew this line, so that the market can sweep some liquidity, because you can tell here there's no lot of momentum, so the market can, that there's no lot of momentum that can push the market towards the upside. So we should wait for the market to sweep this liquidity so that it can gain more momentum, so that the buyers can push to the upside. So we'll be waiting patiently for this to happen. So same thing on EURUSD. EURUSD, I was kinda a little bit not sure, but the way I see, the way I look at the XY, which is the dollar index, it's kind of the same. We had a consolidation, a drop, another consolidation. So now you can tell the market mitigated my supply zone right there, and then I'm waiting for a sweep, and then the only thing that's not making me comfortable to take any sales is because of the sweep. We didn't have a clear closure of the candle right there. The market just swept liquidity, started pushing higher. I'm just thinking, I don't know, it's because DXY, you just need to be more focused on DXY so that you can see the clear movement. DXY, as you can see, there's a high chance of DXY going to the downside, straight to the downside, because in overall direction of DXY is selling. So there's a high possibility of the market going to the downside. That's why we have to be more vigilant. Like, we have to keep an eye on DXY. You can see this can be a impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. That's how DXY, most of the time it's happened like this. A lot of people they'll be waiting to take a trade here, and this is the same thing that happened here. After this breakout structure, the market came back and then pushed. So now as you can see, this leg is a bit longer. 1, 2, 3, 4 breakout structures. There's a high chance of this market to continue to the downside, and we should be more clear, because as you could see right there, we have a gap that the market is like just closed right now. There's high chance of this market continuing to the downside. And EURUSD, that's why I'm saying EURUSD, I'm not easy to take sales on EURUSD, because as you can see, this consolidation was the last version of consolidation, like breakout structure 1, change of character 1, 2, 3, 4 breakout structures. This is just a sweep of liquidity. This shows you that there's a high chance of this market continuing to the upside. As you can see right here, this was an impulse sweeping liquidity, coming here. There's a high chance of this market doing like this, continuing towards the upside. And yeah, man, after the market did like more 4 times breakout structures, after changing character, it's the chances of the market continuing for the 5th leg, continuing to the downside or upside, if it's in an uptrend or downtrend, there's like 20% of possibilities that the market can respect the thing. And also gold, it's been moving nicely, but I'm kinda skeptical to take sales right there. As you can see, I got a sell right there, I got another sell right here, and so this ones was pretty beautiful after changing character, and it came to mitigate my demand zone, changing character on the 15-minute time frame. It's a little bit clear. This is the same thing that I do each and every day. You see, sweeping of liquidity, changing character, coming back, and then going to the downside. This was a beautiful trade. This was a beautiful trade. You see, almost 3% that I got from that trade, and then this one, another. So now I'm kind of skeptical. I'm not easy to take another trade right here, because as you can see, this right here, hey man, I'm not sure, and I'm not easy. Maybe if you can sweep and then maybe changing character, I can be happy to to get involved, because now there's no liquidity that the market can sweep right there. As you can see, maybe after sweeping these highs, coming back to some sort of demand zone that is up here, maybe we can get a sell toward the downside, but you have to open your eyes right there. After sweeping some liquidity, maybe you can get in and then taking this market to the downside. My main focus is this lows right there, but it's hard for me to hold, so I need some easy in and out from gold. If I can get something like this, I can be happy. Like 1:3, I can be happy. But this is a beautiful trend. As you can see, I don't take buys on a downward movement. This is the only thing that I do. I take sales. So yeah, man, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll keep you updated on everything, and continue watching my series, my episodes of me being funded 100,000. I'm still on a 5K challenge account. I've been failing 3 or 4 challenges in a row, man. It's been a hard journey. So yeah, man, peace.